there, YouTubers. Today we're coming to you with pizza. I have a Coke to drink. She has grape soda. So I'm cheating on this diet for the second day in a row. She brought pizza. She
in a row. I don't have anything to do yesterday.
Yeah, she has nothing to do with yesterday. Yesterday there was a first communion party that one of his co-workers were having. So they had pork, okay? And people, my Hispanic people know
no pork.
what kind of pork I'm talking about.
It's the barbacoa that they put inside the gorditas, probably.
Anyway, they had pork, rice, churro beans. Churro beans was off the chain.
Not barbacoa. Barbacoa is beef. But you know the same meat they use for gorditas. It's a special
Portico.
Can't just go to the store and get some pork chops and do this. You gotta have a special kind of pork. Special cut.
Oh. Sausage. So, I finally got me a table to do my mukbangs on. I feel more comfortable with. So I got a TV table. I feel like when you y'all can see the food much better.
Like in those other mukbangs.
I don't know what they use.
I don't know what kind of microphone they got, but I'm trying to make one today.
Like this phone takes a certain kind of mic, and I don't have headphones, and I don't have them. So eventually I'm gonna have to get them because I do want to do.
Well, man, we supposed to have no talking.
That's the ASMRs. I want to do ASMR with a mic, but I gotta wait till I get the right headphones for this iPhone 8. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I got a timer telling me
I did all that chewing for nothing. The little reminder popped up about her going to pick up her baby for school, and now we had to start all over. I did all that smacking and chewing for nothing.
What?
Here goes.
So I don't think anything new is really going on right now, is it?
No. I'm looking at my forehead. It looks kind of shiny.
Right here. Nothing, no. I got a video that's gonna come out probably before this one. A mini small vlog. Richard turned 5 months that day, so I added some 5-month pictures to the bottom. Y'all might not go in there and cut on that light. Excuse me. They have cheese pizza. So that's what I'm eating right now. My baby's a month old now.
It's actually, I think it's 7 weeks now. It'll be 7 weeks Wednesday.
Okay.
So, yeah, he's getting up there. He's a big baby, but he got some pretty hair. Cute too. Girl, he did an explosion while we was at Sky School.
Oh, I just prepared for
I wasn't prepared. Was I mad? No. I was the opposite. I was happy I seen a big explosion. While I was cleaning up that catastrophe, I was like, Junior, I'm so proud of you. Good baby. Because he's been constipated. To see him go makes me feel a lot better. I'm sorry I'm talking about that while I'm eating, but I'm eating. Now y'all.
No, know, they might be eating.
Don't be eating when you watch the video.
Anybody who got kids, that's just gonna be a normal thing.
This is my baby right here. Come here.
Show me a little cheese pizza. Actually, it's not her baby, it's her oldest. And this is her.
This is my baby girl. Yeah, she has cheese pizza.
And you know, Sadie, she just jumping in the video because she just wants to be in the video as usual.
All right. My oldest. Make room for the oldest. Move over. And this is my oldest. She's eating cheese pizza too. She just damn near sat on. Alright. Scram, all three of you.
You send them. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you met Star and Sky. Hello, hey. I'm gonna shut all of y'all down. Let me tell you something. This is my channel. This is not the kid channel where y'all go back there and make funny faces and hee and giggle. Do that on your channel, okay? Do you understand me?
I'm not even trying to post the video, but it's still supposed that way.
Well, you won't post.
Okay.
She got too much stuff on her phone. That's her problem. Yeah.
Anybody want to put it down?
Let me pull this pizza forward.
I'll take the bigger one. Y'all take the smaller one.
I'm loving this table.
Hey,
I'm loving this table. You
the
loving this
best
table?
burps are free. Yeah, it's straight. Look like you got out of the side of the road, but other than that, it's still a good table.
I paid $3 for it. But I only bought it just for this mukbang, so that my, so they could see the food.
Yeah.
Cause I'm like, I need to find the right table, and I said I'm gonna use the TV table. And I've been meaning to get one. Finally found one in the garage sale. Of course.
Well, there's three out here.
Nah, cause Satan's starting to eat a lot.
Each of us got 2
She
She getting that.
got
She's
enough
starting.
meat on her bones last 4
She's
weeks.
starting to get that teenage appetite. That's what's starting to happen.
Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all about teenage appetite. We go to IHOP, which was a bad experience. This happened. Well, I didn't want to say where it happened, or whatever. It happened at IHOP, okay? My daughter decided she wants to order off the grown person menu. She's 11 now. She ordered crepes, whatever you want to call them, crepes. I'm just gonna think to myself, I just thought it, but I didn't even think nothing of it. Who eats crepes? Like, I ate crepes and I wish I'd never gotten it that one time I did get it. But I didn't share that with her. All I said was, you had that before? She said, what did you say? You said, yeah.
I said, no.
Well, she said no, but I ain't still didn't think nothing of it. I'm paying for everybody's meal. Mom and dad, now they getting steaks and stuff. They're getting steaks. And
One more pizza and I'm done because I'm starting to get full.
she don't even like the crepes. I'm mad.
The crepes.
She want to order something else. She played through the crepes and stuff before she said she didn't want it.
Yeah, you should never do that. You should tell them because if you don't like it, they'll let you get something else and not pay for it.
And I was like, damn, I told him that she didn't eat it though. I made to bring her pay for it. I was mad though because I was like, the waitress probably was, she acted like she was cool, but I know she probably was pissed off.
I don't know what get mad about that.
Well, the one thing about it is, the rest of the food wasn't no better.
What did she end up getting after
The
that?
Philly cheese steak was drenched in grease. Like, by the time I ate half of it, my stomach was hurting. Like, it had good flavor, but it was grease everywhere. Like, I would squeeze and do like that, and then the grease would drip off of it. My mom didn't like her steak. My dad didn't give a damn. He said it wasn't the best, but he said, I ain't gonna complain.
Oh, you guys got another treat for you guys. Since I'm doing this, I might as well do this too. I made my not my very first. Well, yeah, it's my very first cream cheese pound cake. So I'm super excited about it.
Now, please.
When you get done with your food. I'm super excited about it. So I guess I will taste it here on camera for you guys. You gonna taste my cake on camera? She's gonna give you her honest opinion. My mom gave me the recipe. She said it was okay for me to film it. So the next time I make this cake, I'm gonna film it. So if you guys really want to see it, please comment down in the bottom. And I know a lot of people have been waiting for me to do another video with drinking sodas and burping. But I've been trying to be good on this diet. I'm gonna go back being good after this.
Yes,
I am.
It's gonna be good.
But I haven't really been eating, so my stomach has shrunk because the food that they're giving me I don't really like, just to be honest. So lately I haven't really been eating a lot of really nothing.
I like that steak though that you had.
That steak wasn't good to me. I didn't really eat it. I ate half of it and a little bit of the vegetables, and then I didn't eat anymore. If I have
was
fish,
good to
I'll
me.
eat all the fish, and it's only one piece of fish, but
I've been looking at it like this. What if you just have no food? You was starving.
sorry.
Yeah. She's sorry.
I didn't cut off the alarm, and I
She
knocked.
knocked my damn drink over.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
excuse
did.
my French.
She's mad.
She can give me another soda here. You can eat all that piece.
This piece?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. I'm not trying
I'll
to.
say that for a little bit.
No, that's just pizza.
2 pieces good enough for me. This is bread. Like, can't eat that much of this. Especially if you putting liquid on top of it.
I hate eating the crust though.
Are you serious?
I don't eat crust on no piece unless it's got cheese and something else and knot it up in it. Dip it.
You said what?
I had crushed red peppers, but I forgot.
Yeah, it's not about it.
Whole swallow on the floor.
Stop.
Give me no.
I'm gonna go get a slice of the cake and we're gonna wake it.
Yeah.
But I think that'll be a very good video. What do people use for a setup for their mukbangs? Because I'm not sure where I want to do my mukbangs at. Like, do I want to continue to do them here in the living room? Do I want to do them in the kitchen? Do I want to do them in the dining room? Or do I just want to do it in a whole totally different room?
Do I?
Because I don't want to do it in the other room because I feel like if I do it there and I'm shutting the door, your money's going to come in there. Then not just only money coming in there. I want to be able to see them. And if the door, if I'm in there with the door shut, I can't see them. I don't know what the
Go
heck
check
they
on your
do.
brother. Why she close the fucking door? See my French. I get the door cracked, not closed.
Let's do that.
How you know it was still cracked? He still asleep. Go check his breathing. I just like to check her breathing.
I'm trying to know how that goes. If you get some mommy thing,
The whole thing.
mommy thing.
Yeah, 'cause I don't think dads do it.
But I think that,
Not all of them.
you know about SIDS and stuff, so they share every little thing.
The older you get, the less the risk happens.
Oh my gosh, Imani is. Excuse me.
Damn, little
She's
girl.
like 2 years old. Yeah, she's 2 years old.
Damn.
Almost 3, and I still check her.
Yeah, they had a little girl, what's wrong? 5 years old. She used to skate the skating ring. Yeah, just died.
What?
Sudden. Something that just happened. I said it's rare, but it can't happen.
I guess sometimes it's just people's time. That reminds me of this movie on Netflix. I forgot what it's called, but this girl's brother dies. So she goes and she tries to bring him back because they made this time machine where they can go back in the past. And every time she went back in the past, it was either her brother or her best friend dying.
That sound like butterfly effect.
Anyway, this wasn't like Butterfly Effect. It wasn't. I forgot the name of it. You'll see it. It just came out on Netflix. But They learned how to travel back in time, and then the very last time, because her brother ended up dying again because he knew that if he didn't die, that the young boy was gonna die, and he rather for it to be him than the 16-year-old. And she went back, so it doesn't, show what happened, but I'm guessing she went back and she made it be herself.
I'm ready for some cake.
So, close this piece about
If I had Netflix, I would watch it, but I don't have Netflix, so enough of that.
For those who got Netflix, y'all check out that movie. It's pretty good. I'm finna go
For
get
those
this
who got
cake.
Netflix, throw y'all code in the comments so I can get y'all Netflix.
gotta have the internet though.
I get the internet.
Hey.
Scram. She's going to get the pound cake, and then we'll be done with this mukbang. Girl, hurry up. Here, you can have the rest of this soda. I don't want all this soda. It's too much soda. Throw that can away too. Thank you. That soda ain't agreeing with my stomach.
Okay, you guys. Here's my balcony.
Don't even think about asking for one of those things.
Alright. Here is it. It looks delicious. I put a lemon glaze on here.
Excuse me, y'all.
It's so soft
That was
now
both burping I did in the way. Oh.
and moist.
Oh my God. She almost made it just like mom.
OMG. It's okay.
Does it almost taste like Momo's? It
That's
should.
good.
It's Momo's recipe. My mom cooks really good pound cakes.
You want to do a dance? Hey.
Or cream cheese pound cakes. But yeah, she showed me, and this is.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm goofy.
And
the cake is almost gone. I just made it last night.
matter of fact, this kind of cake you want to have some milk with just. Woo.
My husband took a really big slice to work on accident.
Her husband, he probably sucks cake like.
Nah, he didn't realize she took such a big piece.
How you
I
don't
said-
realize that this heavy ass cake weighed like 10 pounds. You don't realize you took a big piece.
I said, he took a big old piece of cake. He said, I didn't realize I had got so much until I got and started eating it.
Yeah, he realized that once he ate it all, or halfway through, or after he took the first bite. What's up? Yeah, that's all that did.
Nope.
Did you eat it all?
I think he did.
I mean, you really
Because I
can.
think that he don't like sweets a
There's
lot.
something about
That
it. This ain't sweet, really.
I think
My eyes are going
he's not really big into sweets, but this right here, a little bit kind of put you in mind of some Mexican breads, except more moist than some. Because all the ones that I've had with the cake in the middle is more like a cornbread
I
texture.
might want to see another one of these cake mukbangs, boy. This month, I make you want it. Order a cake through the mail. Good. Yeah.
Anybody say cakes through the mail?
Hell yeah, they send cake through the mail. My job, dude from Colorado get cakes.
It must be frozen.
I don't ask them all that. No. You can mail a cake in a couple days. Cake takes more than a couple days.
Yep, that's right, y'all. I'm over here crumbing.
I thought she brought me a big piece, but she kind of really didn't bring nothing but a small. Dang, Dad. I want to eat more of that than I do the pizza. It's something about the ingredients that make your mouth water that makes you want to eat another piece.
It does.
Some cakes will dry your mouth out. You're like, hey, I don't want to finish that. Who want this? Nah, I want another piece. cheating, might well go all out.
I guess so.
Don't slice them as big as before, though. Oh. Knocked your Coca-Cola over on the couch. There's like a wet spot on the pillow. What happened to your cake? Beanie? You left the best freaking part. Come give me that. Crazy crust, you crazy? The crust has a natural
You
glazing.
want the little big? Which one you want? Okay, I got the thinnest piece because I don't want.
Look what she left. She left the edges. So you crazy?
Yeah, she's crazy. The edges are the best. That's the first thing that Sadie ate on the cake. Because she liked the icing. Icing real easy to make. Just lemon
Powdered
sugar.
sugar, lemon
Juice.
and juice or milk.
No, I just use lemon juice and powdered sugar. Get it to a thickness that I like. And then put it on there. That's it.
Yeah, she like. I know how to make some cinnamon rolls.
Oh, you do the same thing with the cinnamon roll icing too.
Hi.
This is gonna be a long video.
They're as long as Inquisitor Masters videos.
I might put
Well-
this out as soon as I finish.
We normally end the videos if we feel like we're being bored, but this is far from bored.
Hit that
Okay, it's delicious. I think you can
notification
eat-
bell.
Yeah, you heard her. Hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button.
And smash the likes.
Yeah. Hit that like button.
Leave out the rude comments.
Yeah, for real. Like that is the
FR,
first.
FR.
Let me tell you guys something. Every time I go to somebody's video, the first thing I do is hit the like button. That is very important. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Hit the notification bell. Be notified every time I upload a video. Be notified every time I upload a video. Bye y'all. Bye y'all. Bye y'all.